Hello and welcome to Tablet Guide. Today we're going to be looking at the Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle. Xencelabs are fairly new to the whole pen tablet game, and apparently their staff are made up of some ex-Wacom employees, so they certainly know their stuff. As usual, we'll start off with the unboxing. Everything about this product is sleek, from the box design to the black and yellow colour scheme and the way you slide out the black inner box. It just feels and looks sleek. I like the large thank you card that greets you when you open the box up. Turn it over and you get a quick overview on setting up the device and where to get the drivers. So inside the box is the tablet, pen case, quick keys remote and a box of assorted leads. And underneath the tray is something else. It's the protective case, useful for carrying the tablet to and from the office. It's a nice touch. The pouch has a large flap at the front with the Xencelabs logo displayed there, perfect for showing it off that you're a proud owner of one. A quick keys remote device is also provided, enabling you to switch between up to 40 programmable shortcut keys, toggling through applications and software app specific functions like zoom, in, out, add layer, brush size and more. It makes working in something like Photoshop effortless. Next up is the pen case. Again, the build quality of this is fantastic. Xencelabs gives you 2 pens and 10 spare nibs, 4 of which are felt. One of the pens is a 3-button pen and the other is a thinner pen with the more normal 2 buttons. Again, the whole thing's got a premium feel to it. Next up is the box of USB leads, an instruction manual and a handy little Xencelabs sticker. On the back of the tablet are the rubber feet to stop it moving on your desk. The edge of the tablet has a nice curve so it doesn't dig into your wrist when you're drawing. On the top are the 3 buttons. Look how thin that is. Taking the tablet out from its protective sleeve is when you first realise just how premium this thing actually is. It's slightly heavier than it looks, but the build quality is superb. It's got a really nice sleek feel to it and just feels expensive. The quick keys remote is fabulous. Its OLED display and physical dial allows you to create up to 40 shortcuts per application and group sets of related functions like sketching, colouring, drawing and editing. Again, the build quality is superb. It's about the size of a mobile phone. One of the standout features of the Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle is the pen's exceptional performance. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60-degree tilt recognition, the pen provides an incredibly accurate and natural drawing experience. The pen really slides over the tablet surface with ease. As you'd expect, the lines tapered off nicely, even when drawing quickly or flicking with the pen, and pressing harder created thicker strokes and vice versa. As with other devices, I prefer to draw with the felt nibs. It just feels a smoother experience. Here's the technical details about the pen tablet. Using the programmable dial of the quick keys remote, you can quickly shift between actions like zoom, layers, brush size. There's a nice feel to both the dial and the button. The OLED display makes it a cinch to remember what keys are assigned to which shortcut, and you can even change the dial colour, just like the tablet, to help identify which function or app you're in. The text and symbols can be read both horizontally or vertically. It also boasts an adjustable sleep timer. You can use the device either wired or wireless. The remote should work for 25 to 53 hours on a 1.5 hours charge. Here's the technical details for the quick keys controller. You can have up to 5 sets of different key shortcuts. So for example, you can have one set for drawing, another set up for painting or photo editing. It's a simple task to update the shortcuts in the driver software. Using the Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle is great for all artists and designers of every level. The tablet surface provides an immersive drawing experience, accurately translating what I drew onto the screen. The shortcut buttons and touch ring on the quick key remote enable effortless access to frequently used commands, reducing the need to switch back and forth between the tablet and the keyboard. The bundle's intuitive interface and user-friendly design make it accessible to even those new to digital art, while professionals will appreciate its advanced capabilities. The Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle offers excellent value for money at this price point. Priced competitively within the mid-range segment, it delivers performance and features that rival higher-priced alternatives. The inclusion of the Quick Keys remote adds value by expanding customization options and enhancing workflow efficiently. Moreover, the bundle's durable build quality and reliable performance makes it a worthy investment for artists looking to upgrade their digital art setup. You won't regret buying or using this in a hurry. Here's the technical details about the pens. The driver software is nicely designed and simple to navigate. Whether you just have the tablet or the tablet and remote key combo, each device was picked up and detected with no problems. Here you can adjust both the pen's pressure sensitivity. This is where having two pens is a great idea. One can have different pressure settings depending on how you like to work. One can work as a thick brush, while the other can have a light pencil feel. You can change this either via the scroller from soft to heavy, or in the advanced section, whereby you simply press down and scribble on the tablet until you find the sweet spot to your preference. Whether you're a professional seeking a reliable and feature-rich tablet, or an inspiring artist looking to dive into the world of digital art, the Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle is an option worth considering. You could say it makes total sense to purchase it. Okay, I'll get my coat. All in all, this is a fantastic pen tablet from Xencelabs. That's it for this review. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, tell all your friends about us, and we'll see you next time.